Hi, it's Paul Scott here again with the fourth in our series of tutorials on how to use your Twitter toolkit from YBG. In the last tutorial we looked at creating your post files ready to be uploaded into Hootsuite, and there's where we left it, in that in schedule 1 we've got our 5 post files from post 0.csv through to post 4.csv, which are now ready to be loaded into Hootsuite. So we've checked them, we've got our content, we're raring to go. So let's load up Hootsuite. There we go in our browser, and yours may look slightly different to this, and you may have it set up in a slightly different way, but fundamentally you need to be on Hootsuite Pro to be able to use the bulk upload facility. The bulk upload is in the Publisher tab here, so click on the Publisher tab and you'll see actually I've got quite a lot of tweets in there already. We use this on a daily basis. If I just click on the month, you'll see that I've probably got about 4,000 or 5,000 tweets still in there from today's uploads, ready to be posted out. Another 3,007 today, and probably a couple of thousand, nearly 3,000 for tomorrow. But we want to go to the bulk message upload, which is down here. So you click on bulk message upload, and this is where you upload your CSV files, and if you've done it properly there shouldn't be any errors. So first of all, select your file. So if you click on choose file, it's zeroed in on here. It's remembered where I was, but actually we went to the folder Twitter Toolkit, into schedule 1. At the moment I haven't got any tweets in schedule 2, so into schedule 1 and select the first one, which is post 0.csv, and open it. The next bit, and this bit's important, to choose the correct date format. It defaults to the American date format. Okay, make sure you click the UK date format. The Twitter tweet generator is generating things in UK date format. Today is currently the 3rd of April, so 0304/2015. If you forget to do that, the posts are going out on 0304/2015. If you don't click the UK one and you click the American one, it will go out not today, and it will cause an error because it will try and send them out on 0403. In other words, the 4th of rather than the 3rd of April, it will try and send it out on the 4th of March. It will actually throw up an error in this case, but you can get it wrong and it can cause problems. Next, which Twitter account do you want this file to be posted to? I've got a lot in here, so the first thing you need to do is to clear the list of favorites. I've got mine set up with favorites, so you clear the list of favorites and then choose the account that you want to send it out on. Well, I'm going to send the first one out on this particular Twitter account. You then click submit. Bang, and there it has. It's scheduled those 48 messages straight away. I could choose another Twitter account and send the same content out on that Twitter account. I will do in this particular case, and click submit, and it will work. It'll happen there, but that's the same content going out at the same time but on a different Twitter stream. What I normally try and do is for each of the Twitter accounts create a different post file. So I would next choose the next post file, post 1, choose the Twitter account I wanted to go out on, click submit. Then go select post 2, choose the Twitter account I want that one to go out on, and click submit. And so on, post 3, choose the Twitter account to go out on and click submit. And post 4, choose the Twitter account to go out on, YBG Global, and click submit. If I try and post that again, or there is existing content already in the system which will conflict with that posting file, now as I've just posted that file to this particular account, I know there's some errors in there and it's going to throw up some errors. So if I click submit, it will throw up the errors that are there on the file automatically. I also know that some of the content was in the YBG. So in this case there were a lot of errors on the YBG one. If I try and post it to that file, again there are 36 problems where there were 48 on the others. So you need to be aware of the content. It doesn't stop it uploading, but it means that if this is the content you're trying to upload and there are duplicates, you will have to go back and change the content. But that's it. Those files, those posts have now been uploaded, and you'll see that actually there were 3007. There are probably going to be a number more than 3007 already uploaded now to be posted out today, and even more for tomorrow. You'll see now it's gone up to 3050. Some will have gone out, and there'll be even more tomorrow. So that's it. It's as simple as that. So that's Paul Scott signing off. You've now gone through the process. We'll look at some other aspects of the Twitter Toolkit in the next tutorial. Bye for now.